Happy holidays here in Cambodia. It is the Chum Ben festival holiday, long weekend. People go back to their home villages, celebrate with their families, celebrate their ancestors. A lot of businesses are closed. You can hear people at the neighbors over the wall there and in front of me celebrating. I'm back at the bamboo stage. I have a Cambodian card game. It's an Angkor Temple themed game. And over here, hanging in the sun, I guess I can't zoom on in on that. I'll just cut to that. So those are the cloths. Each player in the game controls a Cambodian village, and collectively you're trying to build an Angkor Temple. So these cloths are the playing surfaces for the players' villages, and they're dyed with the Cambodian red dirt, which is kind of a brick color, and this soil and this kind of ground became these massive bricks. You can see how granular it is. They make these big bricks to build the Angkor temples. So I use it as a playing surface for my games. So it's just a little square of cloth that's been mud dyed, and then we're going to screen print on that the village, and people place their cards there. You grow rice and you have buffaloes and so forth. So I'm just rinsing them out and hanging them out on the sun to dry, and sunny day. No need for the gumboots. Pot is off. We are done with our scouring. We've pre-mixed scoured, mordant, dried, folded, 5 small, medium, large, XL, double XL, some men's and women's linen shirts, all white, all prepared for getting screened with the Angkor Dirt Shirt logo. Some at least on the inside or on the back of the neck, and then some designs for the front. I'm thinking white screen printing, maybe some like Cambodia Angkor kind of style images, so that when they're dyed in the mud, they come out. Here's a shirt right here. And this is a really nice color. It's in the sun, I guess. I don't know if you can see. Maybe that way's better. Sometimes it's hard to catch the color on camera. But this is a t-shirt here. This is kind of one that I've just leave soaking for the whole time. It keeps getting dried and soaked over and over while I've been prepping all these other shirts for mud dyeing and mud dyeing the game cloths, which is still not finished because there's also the temple area where the players work together to build the temple, and that piece of cloth I still need to procure. There's a Japanese woman who organizes a neighborhood or community of women to do sewing projects for hotels or businesses or whatever. It's like a nice kind of co-op, and they're the ones who cut and sew my fabric, which you can see it's like an overlocker, so it's just like run through a machine to sew off those edges. So it's pretty simple, it's easy, it's a good job that they can do more quickly than I can source the fabric. We'll see. It's best to have good cotton for when you're dyeing with mud, but that's not an easy item to procure sometimes in Cambodia. So sometimes you get like synthetic blends or something that don't dye as well, but for the villages they're good. So gotta get back to work.